So the last kid just left preschool and I have some errands to run. So Ezra and I are going to go together, just do a couple of things, and I have no plans yet for dinner. Well, nothing prepared anyway. So I'm going to show you a super easy meal that we can put together, and you'll get to come with us as we run errands. So welcome to my day in the life. Let's do this. First off, we're going to go to the library. My classroom has an author of the month, so I want to make sure that I have plenty of books to read them. So we got some good books. I got Tommy DePaula. He's great, and I do him, like his books, every October. And then we saw this bundle. What'd you see?
Space.
It's on space. So he's super excited about that because we are loving some space stuff recently. And space Legos, right? He wishes he could get. Now we're on to Target because I have to get a few things. Should we go look at the Halloween stuff? Yeah, let's go look. Ooh, what's this? I know, I love these little houses. These are so cute. Look at this. It's got a little place to put a light, or little lights in there. That's cute. There's some cute like flowers. And look at these little, I love that. And these are $1. Those are kind of cute. Look at all of these. These are all $1. Such good stuff. I love all this fall stuff. Ooh, here's some chalk. Oh, don't mind my fingers, I've been painting. Ooh, that's cute. Some little stuff. Ooh, this is super cute. Ooh, that is way cute. Ooh, only $3.
This is cute too.
Ooh, and these ones? Okay, so these teal ones, they have I think they mean that there's gluten-free treats that are given at that location. Let me know in the comments. Right? Gluten-free?
Mm-hmm.
As much as I want to keep looking through all of the dollar spot, I'll have to show you some next season stuff soon. But I have things to get. I need to go shopping. I am loving this amber stuff. And they had it much smaller, like over here. Some little jars that I'm looking for, but they don't have them. And I want them. Why don't they have them? I'll keep looking, but look at how gorgeous. I love all of this stuff. Here's another grouping. These are so cute. And he loves this decor stuff. Look at all these pumpkins for $6. That is actually really good priced. I love these. Like, you can cut them or whatever. They have some over there that you could cut out or just leave it as it is. So these are all the little treats that you could have for your parties. And I love these pencils. They're like the old school ones where you could just take that out and get the next one. Ezra likes these. How about we get those for you, Ez? Do you want some pencils?
Yep.
It's Day of the Dead decorations. We celebrate it every year, don't we, Ezzy? Yep, we love Day of the Dead. The Dia de los Muertos. Dia de los Muertos. The best time of the year. My Target doesn't really have a lot of costumes. have to keep looking. This is what I'm looking for, but smaller. See, these ones are $15. Yeah, no, they were much smaller, and I think they were like $5. Oh goodness, these are so cute. Oh, that's a better price. You guys, they have more. I'm gonna get one. What?
Let's go home.
Okay. So I will show you everything that we got, but I need to have a little snack. Do you guys like these? These little rice puddings. They are so good. It's not quite homemade, but it's a little treat. All right, here's just what I got. I got some snacks. Now these will go into our missionaries care package / birthday box / necessities. We saw these. I thought that would be something fun for the boys to do tonight. And then if Paul wants a treat, he usually loves ice cream, so we'll just keep that in the freezer. And then I showed you my rice pudding, but I also got stuff for me. So I'm out of cream. I thought this looked pretty good. That was $20. And then this is our favorite lotion, just for like skin, legs after shaving type thing, because I'm really particular about scents that I can rub, like lotion, like Bath and Body Works. I'm not a huge fan of all of their scents, so this is pretty neutral. And I did get the pencils for Ezzy. These are awesome. And then we were just talking about how we needed to pick up some more of these eyes for upcoming Halloween treats, so stay tuned. And I got another, woohoo, my favorite scent. I love this scent, you guys. It is so good. It smells, it says it has a citrusy floral blend. You guys, let me know if you've smelled it. And then this is what I got for decor. So this ended up being cheaper than the lamb's ear with the little container I was looking at. So that was only $5. And these were $1 each. And that was $3. So I think they look great together. And Ezra also got something. What'd you get? A Lego guy? What is it?
Aladdin.
Aladdin. All right, so now it's time to make dinner. Yes. And this is what I need for dinner. So, like I said, I needed to get started on dinner, and I don't have meat thawing, and I don't really have a plan. But I did have some meatballs in the freezer, so I'm going to be making meatball soup, Italian meatball soup. So I'll walk you along with it. The recipe, I'm also going to link it below. It does have the recipe to make the meatballs, which is super cool, and I'll be making those ahead of time after I'm done with these, but making them a gluten-free version. And so I'm just so excited to have meatball soup. I made a meatball vegetable soup not too long ago, maybe last year, and it was so good. So it's kind of a variation on that, but more Italian. So it's gonna have pasta. So let's do this. All right, so all I'm gonna do right now is just chop up some celery and some carrots. Now, I'm not doing them super small, but I'm not doing them ultra big either. So I'll bring you closer so you can see the sizes on this, but I am trying to get more veggies in the pot than I think the recipe says, because I just like things really hearty. So I don't think there's a wrong way with making this kind of soup, since it just called for onions and celery and carrots. So, and I'm gonna do the dehydrated onions, because I think that's better for our family. And when I say better for my family, I mean me. So I'm just gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna put on a plate, get it ready. And then I'm just gonna put a little olive oil in this pot and just start kind of sauteing it. And I'll show you. So I'm ready to add a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny, tiny bit. I'll let that heat up for a bit. And for my broth, it calls for 6 cups of broth, but I'm just gonna use 2 bouillon cubes because they tend to be higher in sodium. So I'm just going to kind of equate that for 6 cups, and this is actually 4 cups. So I'll just add 2 cups of water, right? That seems great. So I'm just gonna give this a few minutes in here. And then pretty much just dump everything in here until everything's softened up, and then I'll show you what I'll be adding. Okay, so next I'm going to add the 6 cups of water. And then I will add all of these stuff. So remember, it was supposed to be onions involved, so let's add them, shall we? One whole can of this tomato sauce and some tomatoes. We're gonna get some Italian seasoning in here. It does call for salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just gonna add the pepper right now. I'll just do a half of a teaspoon. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna get this to a simmer, and then I'll add the meatballs and the pasta. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. All right, now that it is onto a boil, I'm gonna go to medium low, somewhere around there. I wanna keep it simmered and add the pasta. Seems like I should add more though, huh? And about half of this, because remember it was a pound of meat, so this is a 2-pound bag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, you guys, I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. Ooh, there's more room to add more vegetables, but that's okay. We'll call it good. Okay, this is perfect. I can't wait. It looks so good. And I'm gonna be putting it into bowls here with some Parmesan cheese. And I also toasted up some garlic herbed bread. Just a little, has a little bit of the spices and seasonings on the top. Had some from a friend, so I thought I would toast it, and I'll probably have those ones because you know kids, right? So I have Paul's going to, he is having some chicken, some cheesy chicken that was made in the casserole, and it's gluten-free. So he said he would eat that because these meatballs do have a little bit of breadcrumb in them. So because I purchased these ones, but like I said in the beginning of the video, that I would start making them gluten-free for our whole family. So let's start dishing up. Ezra's doesn't want any meat. So it's time to eat. What do you think, Ez?
Good.
You like that? The noodles. And there's carrots in there, and you like carrots. Mm-hmm. Jonas is enjoying it. Did you eat some of the soup? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good. And then Paul's having gluten-free. Yay. So right before we were sitting down, our refrigerator is having problems. So gratefully we have a refrigerator in the back. So we had to hurry and move all of the food over. Story of our lives, right? There's always something going on. Now it's time to eat. Dinner was pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
So now he wants to make
Cookies.
So I thought I would cook them up, and then they're outside playing. They just have the pumpkin shape on them. They taste like sugar cookies. And I thought I would take some outside to pass to your friends. So these are pretty easy. All I have to do is just cut them open pretty much and put them on a baking sheet. So let's do this. Oh, look at how cute they are. So that dinner, delicious, so good. You guys, if you have ever had meatball soup, I really, really love it. This is the second time in a year, I should have it more often, that we've had meatball soup, and it's so good. Remember, in the description box will be the recipe link. So good. Can I open these up? So I put them over 2 pans just because I thought it could spread out a little bit, but they were kind of tiny. So I gave them a little press with my spatula and then put it back in the oven for 1 minute. And I think they're okay. The kids will like them and eat them and devour and wouldn't blink an eye. So these are so little cute ones. I probably could make them better though. Shh. Now we'll go share them with some friends outside because that's where the boys are. They're outside playing. Who wants some cookies? Who wants cookies? Careful, it might be a little warm. Hey, don't you want one?
Oh, yeah.
Ezzy, come get a cookie. Oh, there's a police officers. There they go.
They only train in our area.
You think that's training? You want another one? You can have another one. You like those, Az? You picked them. Ooh. So we're going to finish our night with reading one of Ezzy's selection of space books that he got from the library. How's that sound?
Good.
Yes, so we are just going to do some reading and relaxing the rest of our night. So thanks so much for stopping by and watching our day in the life where we did some shopping and I did some cooking, and I hope you really like that recipe. Again, it'll be below in the description box, and let me know in the comments if you are loving some of those dollar spot finds at Target. They are amazing. So have a wonderful evening and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Little May was a dreamer. They say that daydreamers never succeed, but Little May was different.